Hi, everybody. Welcome to my classroom segment. Let me shift this. You know, how many years ago someone said I was colorblind? Yeah, someone said I was colorblind. And what is color blindness? Is inability to differentiate between shades of colors. And honestly, I've proven that theory to be true over and over for some reasons. I don't know what reason exactly, but for some reason, it's quite a struggle on my own side to differentiate between certain shades of colors. Do you experience that too? Is this same for you as well? Do you know your colors so well? Or just basic colors, basic primary colors? But can you differentiate between different shades of colors? Or are you same like my humble self? That's by the way. So today we're going to be looking at colors in French language. Les couleurs. Les couleurs. Now I have to bracket different colors in English language, which we are going to treat today in French language. I have to bracket these colors, and by way of bracketing each of them, I had to represent these colors with different alphabets, and then I have to also represent the colors that are being depicted by filling in the colors. I bracketed V, O, G, another G, and then there's a B, there's a P, and there's a Y. Les couleurs, colors. I've actually treated colors before. I don't know if you can remember. Treated colors where I had to show colors of water bottle, cap, colors of hairband, and earrings, and a lot. But for the benefit of those who are not in that classroom segment and who might not really go back to that video, we just have to go back to this. Now, les couleurs, colors. V represented here, look at the color, is violet. O is orange. G here is green. The other G is gray. The B is blue. The P is pink. My pink just want to look as though it's violet. I'm really colorblind, by the way. And then the Y is yellow. Now these are masculine and these are feminine. Let's now look at these colors in French language. Masculine, feminine. Violet, feminine. Or better still, let me go this way. Violet, masculine color. Violet, feminine. Orange, masculine. Orange, feminine. Same for masculine, feminine. Gris, masculine. Gris, feminine. Vert, masculine. Vert, feminine. Bleu, masculine. Bleu, feminine. Rose, masculine. Rose, feminine. Take a look at this rose, rose, orange, orange. They maintain the same spelling and pronunciation for both masculine and feminine. So it's very important. Then the last here, John, John. John, John. Same thing, yellow. John, John. Yellow. Violet, violet. Orange, orange, orange color. Gris, gris, gray. Gris, gris, gray. Vert, vert, green. Bleu, bleu, blue. Rose, rose, pink. Jaune, jaune, yellow. Voilà ça. C'est fini. C'est déjà fini. Les couleurs. J'ai fini avec ça. I'm done with that. So tell me, of all of these colors, which is your favorite color? You know, I thought pink was my favorite until they told me that pink are for teenagers. I have to let go of pink. Now I say it's black, but I don't know. It's hard to tell exactly. So which of these colors mentioned here, or which of the aforementioned colors can be said to be your favorite color? Please kindly tell me in the comment section. Thank you for joining today's classroom moment. And please do not forget to watch all video to the end, because every video is made with so much intentionality. Thank you for always choosing to join my classroom segment. See you in my next class. Bye.